Lawn grubs are the larvae of various beetles. These little critters live in the soil and feed on the roots of your beloved grass. They are especially active in late summer and autumn. Left unchecked, they can cause significant damage. Grubs weaken your lawn, making it more susceptible to drought, stress and disease. Severe infestations can lead to dead patches. These are not only unsightly but also invite weeds to take hold. Knowing your enemy is the first step to victory. By understanding the life cycle and habits of lawn grubs, we can implement effective control measures. Remember, a healthy lawn starts from the ground up. Early detection is key to minimizing lawn damage. Be vigilant and look out for these telltale signs of a grub problem. One of the earliest signs is the appearance of irregular brown patches on your lawn, and these patches may feel spongy underfoot. Birds and other wildlife foraging in your lawn can also indicate a grub infestation. They are attracted to the grubs as a food source. Another sign is the presence of increased animal activity. Raccoons, skunks and birds may dig up your lawn in search of tasty grub meal. If you suspect an infestation, it's important to confirm your suspicions before taking any action. Before you declare war, it's essential to confirm the enemy's presence. A simple inspection will reveal whether lawn grubs are the culprits behind your lawn's distress. Choose an inconspicuous area of your lawn and cut a 1 square foot section of turf with a spade. Carefully peel back the turf to expose the soil beneath. Inspect the soil and thatch layer for the presence of grubs. Grubs are white or cream-coloured C-shaped creatures with brown heads. They are typically between 1/2 inch and 1 inch long. If you find more than 5 grubs per square foot, treatment is likely necessary. Section 4, fighting back, effective treatment for grub control. Once you have confirmed a grub infestation, swift and decisive action is required. There are several effective treatment options available, but choosing the right one depends on the severity of the infestation and your personal preferences. One popular option is the use of beneficial nematodes. These microscopic organisms are natural enemies of lawn grubs and effectively control their population. Nematodes are available at most garden centres and are easy to apply. Now, another effective treatment method is the application of insecticides specifically designed for grub control. These products are available in both granular and liquid formulations. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when using any pesticide. Remember, the goal is to control the grub population while minimizing the impact on the environment and other beneficial insects. Section 5, safety first, protecting yourself and the environment. When it comes to using any form of pest control, safety should always be your top priority. Protect yourself, your loved ones and the environment by following these essential safety precautions. Always wear appropriate protective gear, including gloves, long sleeves, long pants and eye protection when handling pesticides. Keep children and pets away from the treated area until the product has dried completely. Store pesticides in their original containers out of reach of children and animals. Dispose of any unused pesticide or empty containers according to local regulations. Remember, responsible pesticide use is crucial for protecting our health and the environment. Section 6, after the battle, customer education and aftercare. Once the treatment is complete, it's important to educate your customers about proper aftercare. This will help ensure the treatment's effectiveness and promote a healthy lawn recovery. Encourage your customers to water their lawns deeply after treatment, and this will help the product penetrate the soil and reach the grubs. Advise them to avoid heavy foot traffic on the treated area for at least 24 hours. I've explained that it may take several days or even weeks for the treatment to show its full effect. Reassure them that you will return for a follow-up visit to assess the effectiveness and address any concerns. Section 7, maintaining the victory, follow-up and record keeping. Maintaining a healthy lawn is an ongoing process. Follow-up visits and meticulous record keeping are essential for ensuring long-term grub control and customer satisfaction. Schedule a follow-up visit with your customer 1 to 2 weeks after the initial treatment. Inspect the treated area for any signs of grub activity if necessary. Repeat the treatment following the same safety precautions. Keep detailed records of each treatment, including the date, product used, and the treated area. This information will be valuable for future treatments and for tracking the effectiveness of your methods. By approaching lawn grub control with a combination of knowledge, vigilance, and dedication, you can help your customers enjoy lush, healthy lawns for years to come. Remember, the secret to a beautiful lawn lies in understanding the science beneath our feet.